Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start the Unit 2, Numbers and Arithmetic Operations. First we are going to start with the place value. The proper arrangement of the number is called the place value. There are two types of the numeric system in it, international system and national system. First we have an example here. Lubna writes the number 653814. How we read and write this value? We have two forms, standard form and expanded form. We write its standard form in a numeric form as like similar written on this, and we will write the expanded form to open the standard form in a expanded form as written in this example. And we have a chart here which is the 1000 period and the unit period. In a unit period we have a unit, 10, 100, and in a 1000 period we have 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. First we place this value which is written in a standard form in this period according to this periods. First we start from the right side and we will write the 4 in a unit period, and then we write a 1 in a tens period, and we write 8 in a 100. Then we move to the next period which is a 1000 period, which is subdivided into 3 equal parts, that is 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. In a standard period we start from the 3 and we write 3 in a 1000, then we write 5 under the 10,000 and we write the 6 under a 100,000. Next we have a two-place chart system that we are following, national and international place value chart. In an international place value chart we have a 3 period. First unit period, second 1000 period, and third one is the million period, and each 3 period is divided into 3 equal parts. The unit period is divided into unit, tens and 100. Then we move to the next period which is the 1000 period, and it divided into 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then we move to the next period which is the million period, and it's subdivided into million, 10 million and 100 million. And where we have an example which we have put in this chart. According to this we have written 689,310,502. Then we move to the next chart which is the national, or we can say the Pakistani place value chart. In Pakistani place value chart, as similar to the international place value chart, it is subdivided also. It's divided into unit period, 1000 period, lakh period and crore period. The unit period is also subdivided into units, 10 and 100. The 1000 period is also subdivided into 1000 and 10,000. The lakh period which we move is also subdivided into lakhs and 10 lakh. The crore period is also subdivided in 1 crore and 10 crore. Here we written the example, that is the 32 lakhs 10,610. Now we are going to move the next topic which is the ascending and descending order, and how to compare the two numbers or that are up to the 8 digits. When we are dealing with the large number which is up to the 8 digits, then we have to compare which number is bigger and which number is the smaller. Here we have example, that is 54,340,573. And the other number which we have given is 54,340,850. First we compare the million period which is 54, and the both 54 million period are the same. Then we move to the next period which is the 1000 period. And here similar to the million period, 340 and 340, the 1000 period is also same. Then next we move to the unit period. Here the unit period is 573 and here the unit period is 550. So we can say the 850 is bigger than the 573. So we can say the 54,340,850 is bigger than the 54,340,573. We have an ascending order. Ascending order is from lower value to the higher value. Here we have an example, 56,860, 64,046, 890, 58,562. The arrangement of this ascending order will be starting from the million period, which is the 56, here 640, 6, 46 and 58. We arrange this. We start from the lowest value, which is the 56, 860, then move to the 58, 562, then we move to the 6, 46, 890. As opposite to the ascending order, we have a descending order. We move from the higher value to the lower value. The example that is given 53, 67, 80, 91, 45, 23 and 11. The arrangement of the descending order starting from the highest value, which is the 91, then move to the 80, then we move to the 67, then move to the 53, then move to 45, then move to 23 and then to 11. Now we have a next topic, that is the addition. Addition is the sum of the two or more things of a number is known as the addition. We have example here, 489, 467 plus addition. It is a sign of the addition, and next 10 to 32. The solution will be, we start the value from the unit. We start putting the value from the unit period. First we write the 7, then we write 6, then we write 4, then 9, 8 and 7. Starting from the unit, then 10, 1000 and we move to the similar to that. Then we put the value starting from the unit 2, 3, 2, 10 and 1. We add these two values. 7 plus 2 we got 9, 6 plus 3 we got 9, 4 plus 2 we got 6, 8 plus 0 we got 9, 9 plus 0 we got 9, 8 plus 1 got 9, 4 will be written as similar to that.